Hello, in this video I want to show you how to create custom account on HP laptop. And to do this we'll need to click on the start, move to the settings, inside select accounts on the left, and here scroll down to the bottom. You should find other users, and here add your account. Now you can use your Microsoft account to create this user, but you can also do it without it. I don't have this person sign in information. That's what we need to click on. Next, we'll be able to log in again, but we want to add the user without Microsoft account. And here we can enter their name and enter the password for that account. If you want to use this account without any password, leave password empty and click on next. As you can see, new account was just created. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.